you need to do a patch test 48 hours before, even if you've already colored your hair. This test is super quick to do. All you need is the colorant cream at the back of your ear 48 hours before you intend to dye your hair, and make sure that you don't wash it. I have one tip for you, and that's that you shouldn't be washing your hair the night before you color it, because your natural hair sebum actually protects it. So this is everything you're going to need before you start to dye your hair. And another tip for you is that it's great to use a moisturizer to protect your skin, and what you should do is be placing this along your hairline.